Welcome to this step-by-step breakdown of a complete day trading strategy. This is not theory. This is a repeatable system that aligns higher timeframe structure with session volume and clean execution rules. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with a strategy you can apply the very next session. No indicators, no overcomplication, just clean price action, timing, and structure. Let's dive in. Step 1 is building a directional bias on the 4-hour time frame. Ask yourself two key questions. What is price reacting from? 4H support or resistance? Are we trending or ranging? If price is bouncing from 4H support and forming higher highs and higher lows, you're looking for buys. If price is rejecting 4H resistance and showing lower highs and lower lows, you're looking for sells. This sets the bias. Without it, there is no reason to go to the lower time frames. Next, drop to the 1 hour, 30 minutes or 15 minutes charts. You're identifying lower timeframe support and resistance zones that align with the H4 bias. Think of these as building blocks in the same direction. Example, H4 support plus 15 minutes support equals layered confluence. You're not trading yet, you're framing the trade idea. Execution only happens at one time, session open. Whether it's London, New York, or Asian, stick to the same session every day. This is when volume enters the market, and moves are most likely to stick. Mark the session high and low from the previous session. These are liquidity pools, often manipulated just before real moves begin. This is the setup. Price sweep session low, stop hunt / liquidity grab. We're sitting on multiple support zones. Direction aligns on all time frames. And price has formed a break and test above intraday structure 15 minutes with an indecision candle. The stop loss is based on the average true range, ATR, on the 15-minute chart. ATR 13 is used to gauge volatility. If ATR is showing 30 points, stop is 30 to 35 points max. You're not guessing. You're using market behavior to size risk. Here is a daily checklist. Set a bias on 4 hour. Are we at support or resistance? Drop to 15 minutes. Mark support / resistance in same direction. Mark previous session high and low. Wait for session open, same session every day. Watch for liquidity sweep of session low / high. Wait for break of structure in direction of bias. Confirm ATR and place stop accordingly. Enter on break with volume. Move stop to be at plus 50 points. Exit partials or full at 1 to 3 RR. After that time, no new trades for the day. Key concepts recap. Confluence is king. Stacking the H4 and 15 minutes with a liquidity sweep gives high probability setups. Time is your edge, with session opens bringing volume and opportunity. Mechanical trading breeds consistency, and reentries are only valid within the session window. Because this isn't about predicting the market, it's about reacting with structure, timing, and discipline. Thanks for watching. If this helped, be sure to save or share it. The next step? Open your charts, follow the checklist, and start building data. Mastery isn't about finding 100 strategies. It's about mastering one. If you're serious about leveling up your trading, hit the link below for my broker recommendations and the complete trading system PDF. Don't just watch, apply.